The Viral Image Hub is a WordPress theme that gives you the opportunity to turn the key on your own monetized viral image site. Let's take a look at a few of its features. This is the admin page for the WordPress site that I set up, this demo WordPress site, and you can see with the theme installed we now have an option to create our memes. This meme generator software is really easy to use. You can either select your own meme image from these default ones we've provided, or you can upload your own one here. In this case, let's just edit this image of Fry. So you can see now I'm going to type some text here. I could also change this text, but I will just delete it. I can drag this anywhere I want. I can resize it. I can change the font there. I can also change and reposition the watermark, but I'll just leave the site watermark as default here. And then I can just give this a name, this meme category. You specify the category so you can organize your site exactly how you want it. Call it Fry Meme. Press save, and that's it. You just got to give WordPress a little while just to do its theme, to just to do its thing, to publish, insert the images, everything like that. There we go, done. Now we go back to our site, refresh the page, and there we have it. Open this up. There is our Fry meme. Now you'll notice our published meme image here has the full range of sharing options, and if you click on the Facebook like button, then a thumbnail of the meme image is automatically placed on your Facebook wall. So as a site admin, you can generate memes on the back end really fast, but if I just go to the theme options here, we also have the option of enabling public meme generation. So with this enabled, it brings up these two buttons here, and it gives your visitors the option of creating their own memes too. So suppose I'm a visitor, I click here, and now I say I want to do this one. And once again, they can upload their own images they want, or like this, they can choose a default one. Great meme site. Yeah, so reposition that, get rid of that one. There we go. I'll put this one in Helvetica. Put it in funny memes. And at computer. Save. Once again, give this a little bit of time for everything to WordPress to do its thing, and let it insert and publish. And there we go, published, and it will automatically redirect to our published meme, which you can also see on the site. So you can see that it's really easy to generate and publish your own memes. But how does this site actually make you money? Well, you may have noticed the advertising at the top looks pretty standard, yeah? Well, if we refresh this page, we can see that it's rotating, and I'll show you a bit how that works. So if we just go to the theme options again, and you'll see we have two option boxes here. Now the first is a comma separated list of banner codes, and you can get a banner code just by going to a CPA site. So this is Max Bounty here, and we just get tracking code, we copy and then we paste. And this comma separated list, what happens is every time the page loads, a new random banner code is selected from this list. So we can see that, as I showed you before. But we've got lots more options about how we display our banners. Instead of doing that, I might want to display two at the same time, in which case I remove the comma separation, refresh the page, and then you can see displaying two at the same time. Not only that, we can target our advertising at category and at individual post or image level. So let's have a look at this animals one. And you can see I've got animal advertising for this category, and all images under this category have got animal advertising too. So we can take this even further. We can have a look at a individual meme. So this is the one I've just created before, and we can set individual ad settings for that individual post. So that means we can target at category level, we can target across the whole site, or we can target individually. So this gives you the opportunity to get your advertising really targeted really easily. These boxes, just like before, you can be comma separated. So all my comments about comma separation and non-comma separation apply at post and category level too. Now, something else I haven't talked about is the pop under advertising. You may have noticed throughout this video, when I've been clicking on the site, pop unders have been occurring, which are displayed along the bottom here. Now, these have been popping under every time I click on the page, because this setting here, the pop under frequency, is at 0. So this means that every time I click the page, a new pop under is selected from this list and pops up. However, this, a few of you might find that this is annoying to your visitors, so you can lower the frequency of pop unders by typing in hours that you want them to occur here. Say I only want a visitor to experience a pop under once every 2 hours. Type 2, press save, you're done. The list, once again, is just like this one. It's a comma separated list, so if you put 2 values in here, 2 URLs in there, sorry, one of them will be selected at random each time the page loads. Once again, you can target at category level, so I could put some pop under URLs in here for all pages in the animals category, or I can go even further if I want and target my pop unders for the post. So you have all these options for getting your advertising set up really quickly, really easily, and getting it targeted. So that's just to show you how easy it is to get your own Viral Image Hub site up and running.